Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to make the tuna, salmon, quinoa and avocado tarts. Let's see where what we put there. First we arrange quinoa and avocado, salmon, tuna, baby seams, garlic, onion, tomato, capers, hazel mustard, rock salt, pesto creamy sauce, salt, custard egg, lime and lemon, basil leaves, oyster sauce, Tabasco, smoked paprika, caviar, extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, and our garnish. Now we are make the quinoa and avocado salad. We put onion, then tomato, black pepper, salt, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, mix in very well. Now we keep separate. We are start now salmon. First we are put hazel mustard, tomato, onion, basil leaves, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, salt, Tabasco, oyster sauce, lemon zest, add some lime juice, paprika, then we keep separate. Now we start tuna, onion, tomato, salt, black pepper, Tabasco, olive oil, basil leaves, smoked paprika, lemon zest, lemon juice, lime juice also, and garlic. Mix in very well and keep separate. Now start plating. First we have put pesto creamy sauce for garnishing. Then we put ring, and first we have put the avocado quinoa salad. Second we put salmon, then we put tuna, now we are put the cocktail shrimp. Everybody know how to make the cocktail shrimp. So one by one all arrange, give it. Then we are remove the ring, but take care, slowly remove the ring. Then we are put the avocado slice for garnishing. Put caviar, cherry, carrot, cucumber, one more cherry, casted eggs, make it soft boil and put in the pigeon, capers, sea salt, dill leaves, minced parsley. Here put some white cream sauce for garnishing. We put some red radish, animal flour little, capers in the top of the egg. We keep some garnishing. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you for another new video. Take care. Bye bye.